Hey, my invisible friends, I have another unboxing to do today. It will be a fast one, all is cool, just open the stuff, show you the things, the most unprofessional way possible. So anyway, what happened here, this is the Spark Go. I bought it like in March of this year. I bought two things at the same time, a bag, like a bag, carrying bag for my the other amplifier I have here from them, and that. So what happened is, like always, they forgot to send me this one. Actually, they consider like the purchase was sent, but because I bought two things, they obviously sent the other thing. So I needed to send an email to them, and then they sent it immediately. I complained, where is it, my stuff, and they sent it the same day. So, anyway, just keep that in mind. If you bought two things, they maybe forgot it. So just don't sit and wait. So let's see what we have here. Nice little package. Very beautiful. Let's see. I'm not gonna try now. Just unbox this stuff. Yeah, beautiful. It smells delish. Let's see this stuff. Nice. See? Yeah, of course, I'm gonna destroy everything. Nice little thing. Good. What it comes with. Blah blah blah. How to use it in Chinese and other languages. Nice. Bunch of stuff. And oh yeah, you can actually change this degree. Beautiful. Okay. What is this? It comes with something else. Okay. The strap. Nice. What? It comes with two straps. Oh nice, this is better. It's like a rubber. And the other one is not. The other one is pure leather, but anyway. Nice. So no real leather for those that don't know. And what else? A cable. USB. Oh, this is a weird one. Let me see. So you have USB to, no, it's USB-C, that's okay. And voila, that's it. Nothing else. And the baby here. Wow, that's nice. I open this stuff with a knife. This is a knife. So, oh nice man. Wow, look beautiful. Yeah. Look nice. Really, hey? Kinda cute. Smell like plastic. I love it. What does it smell? Yeah, look kinda cute. So I can carry this anywhere. Sounds good. Can we try it now? Even if I said I would not. How do you turn it on? Yeah, I guess it's a good idea sometimes to read. Here it is. Voila! Let's see. Let's see. Shit, it's noisy. mean, of course, I mean, anyway. A little cracking. I guess you expect that. Yeah, not bad, it's okay. Anyway, I'm not gonna use the speakers. I'm gonna use my headphones all the time. Yeah, nice. It's nice little thing. I love it. Love the stuff, and now I have the whole collection, I guess. Nice. I really like it. Really beautiful thing. Well, this is it. This is a positive grid Spark Go. Very compact, I would say. I mean, as a platform of what they're doing digitally, that's kind of cute. And so that's really nice. I'm not expecting the speaker to be as good as anything else, but I guess you have that in mind from the very beginning. Yeah, beautiful thing. I like it. Have a nice day, invisible friends. This is Snort.